Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Solution 76. Today I'm super excited because I've got all new working Blox Fruits codes, and trust me, these codes are absolutely insane. Some of them might expire at any moment, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. And yes, there's a secret hidden code somewhere in this video, so don't even think about skipping. Want to join the exclusive giveaway? Just comment your Roblox username below. If any code doesn't work for you, comment your username again, and I'll personally fix it for you. And of course, smash that like button, subscribe to Easy Solution 76, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss brand new Blox Fruits codes. We always upload the freshest codes for your favorite Roblox games, like Blox Fruits, King Legacy, Dress to Impress, and more. So you're always one step ahead of everyone else. The developers just released a massive new Blox Fruits update. New fruits, new fighting styles, new quests, and special rewards. And you definitely don't want to miss out. Some of today's codes will give you free EXP boosts, stat refunds, money, and other powerful bonuses that help you level up faster, grind easily, and unlock premium abilities. So pay close attention because a few of these codes are hidden or secret, and only sharp-eyed viewers will catch them. Just imagine this: exploring the sea, defeating powerful bosses, unlocking new islands, and suddenly discovering a super rare secret code that nobody else has seen yet? Sounds amazing, right? So don't wait. Drop your username below and join the giveaway for a chance to win awesome rewards. All right, guys, grab your notepad, get ready, and let's dive right into all the latest, strongest, fully working Blox Fruits codes right here on Easy Solution 76 Fire Lightning.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands.